So guys, now we are heading to the reading area. So this side is the reading area, as you can see. The best part about the reading area is there's a very good Wi-Fi over here, and also you can get some free coffee whenever you are reading over here. You can order for an espresso shot or a cappuccino, or even noos, which is Vietnamese. No, sorry. You can also order for noos, which is Moroccan style of coffee, if I'm not wrong. This is the reading area, silent zone, so I'll keep it quiet. So you can sit here, work, use Wi-Fi. So there are books around.
We are also expanding now. We are going two models, franchisee model and the company owned store.
So you can sit looking at the grasslands over here.
Yes, you also want
It's
to
so beautiful. There's a fireplace. There are lots of books. And of course, don't forget to order your coffee. So guys, just in front of the reading area, that's this, you can find the Robusta Fitness Center, and also you can find their gift shop. Also there is a Beehive Experience Center. There's these open air sittings and everything. So usually cultural events take place over here. Storytelling nights take place over there, which are alternative. One day cultural event, one day of storytelling night. And then there is a Beehive Experience Center where usually there is some documentary of wild and the local of Coorg and all documentaries are played. So what else can you do over here? I'll show you. So you can see, you can do nature therapy, bird watching, coracle ride, plantation, eco walk, coffeeology, workers trail, plantation walk, story corner, etc. I will highly recommend this coffeeology. It's a beautiful experience. They'll make you taste 6 different types of coffee. They'll give you a brief knowledge about how they are made, what are the blends. Also they'll tell you about the history of coffee and everything. Also there are culture shows, as I told you, which takes place over here. So if you're coming to Evolve Back, make sure you experience some of these experiences. Some of them are paid, like Coracle Ride or the Plantation 4x4X. But others like Plantation Walk, Coffeeology, etc. They are all included in your stay cost. So this is the Beehive Experience Center. You can see. You can see the Robusta Fitness Center. Even the fitness center is within the nature, guys. And here we are at the Haystack Little Shop. This is a nice little gift shop. You can see the huge grassland fields they have. It's a very beautiful place alongside. So guys, there's this beautiful corner also hidden in the Evolve Back property. You can relax, sleep. It's a 2-person hammock. I know I'm in a very awkward position, don't judge. But yes, you can always relax over here. Okay, I'm stuck, guys. So here we are at Sidapur Coffee Museum. I'm sorry if I'm the correct. Sorry if the pronunciation is wrong, but I think it's Sidapur. So here we're going to do some coffee tasting and everything. Let's see how the experience is. we did check out at 11, which was our checkout time, but then they allowed us to be in the property till the later hours. So we went for a coffeeology show experience. Basically, we tasted 6 types of coffees over there. They told us about how they are made, their blends, their process. Also a lot of history about coffee. It was a heaven for coffee lovers. Sadly for me, it was too much coffee to handle, and I don't know how I'm going to, spend my whole day now with so much coffee intake already, with tasting 6 different types of coffees. But the experience was good. Like, if you are even if you are not a coffee lover, you should try it. It's amazing. Okay, like, I enjoy it just for the knowledge part of it, even if I don't enjoy coffees. So guys, these are some of the heritage villas. So guys, you can see this is the lily pool duplex. These are duplexes. Now we are going ahead. So now we are going down to the man-made lake.
Okay.
You can do fish feeding over here, fishing over here. There is also a relaxation spot over there, if you can see. This is a beautiful lake. You can come here and relax. So you can see that other spot also. Look at the beautiful paddy field. Within the property only.
These are the old villas that were made in that side is
These heritage villas are 10 years old, guys. And the old villas are how old? And the other villas are more than 25 years.
So one heritage that side is so good.
So these are all the heritage villas. Here you can see 300 acres of amazing coffee plantation beyond this grill. They are their own production. Robusta coffee is being produced over here, which is used as a blend with Arabica coffee. You can see these beautiful villas. So guys, it's 350 acres of property, out of which only 35 acres is occupied as the resort, and rest all is coffee plantation. So you saw this beautiful place.
This is the end of the property.
This is the end of the resort property, as you can see.
And now this is
Coffee plantation.
This all is, beyond this all is coffee plantation. They are one of the best coffees.
next to Dubare Forest.
Yeah, next to Dubare Forest. And this is the matcha. There is a special.
So here it's the machang. You can have a special dining setup for you. It's a tree house experience for the dinner. It's a very beautiful place. I'll show you guys. Have a look. It's by the lake. Imagine sitting here with your beloved person, having the time of your life. Look at that. You're looking at the lake, there is nothing around, and you and your partner with some candlelight dinner. So guys, if you want to set up a lunch, dinner, breakfast, anything for your beloved one over here, 7,000 is for breakfast.
No, 5,000.
5,000 for the breakfast, 9,000 for the lunch, and 11,500 for the dinner. These kind of electric vehicles are there in the property to take you around. There are almost 10 vehicles like these, which are there to help the guests. So you can see the tree house from here. It's such a beautiful setup, as you already saw. So that Machan or the lake area is almost 1 kilometer away from the reception area. That's a huge area, guys. Really huge area.
अच्छा रिद्धि
We'll arranging for a moonlight also for a couple.
We are going to see one more infinity pool, and also here you can arrange a moonlight dinner for your loved ones, like couple dinner. It's very beautiful. Of course, I've used the word beautiful a lot of times, but I can't help it. It just comes out of my mouth. So you see, there is the lounge area, there is the swimming area, and then there is lake, guys. You can't miss this view for life, guys. Imagine swimming over here. It's so beautiful, right? And they can arrange a moonlight dinner over here. Also, there is refreshment and washroom facilities over here, place to sit. I'm a happy kid over here. It's so beautiful, I can't take my eyes off. Lake, water, it's like heaven. So yes, this is one of my favorite spots in the resort. Like, even if you're not a couple, do come here and experience this pool. This is the resort map. Look at the beautiful map they have made. It's a very big place. So now we are heading back from this property. So special thanks to Mr. Uday. He took us around the property and we really loved. He explained us everything. Whatever I'm showing in the video is thanks to him. So thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Namaskar. So guys, this is Bhagyashri. She was my executive over here. She helped me around so much. We had all ups and downs in this resort, and she was always there for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
So guys, as a return souvenir, we've got these little bags, potlies, which has roasted coffee beans, which can be used as room freshener or car fresheners, which is such a beautiful gift, guys. I'll always remember them for this. So guys, we are checking out of this property, but if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Riddhi Nagda. And if you like more such videos, do come back to my channel. I'll be putting a lot of beautiful videos like this. And if you're coming to Evolve back, don't forget to enjoy the nature over here. One night is never enough. That was my mistake that I didn't book in advance, but that is what it is. Till then, goodbye and thank you.